Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Today I am making a cute drawing for Mother's Day. Can you guess what I am making? Yes, you have guessed it right. I am making a cute penguin drawing. This is a very simple and easy to make drawing, and I hope you all will like it. We can now color it. Next I am making some hearts here. And also adding some dots. Next we can write Happy Mother's Day. And then I'm coloring it with black marker. Finally, I am drawing a border. And our cute drawing for Mother's Day is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.